talk about that I did cs4242. So the objective of this project was to implement a Sudoku solver without using any exhaustion method, then analyze the process of solving the puzzle. So first of all, let me quickly go over the structure of this project. So first I have a table class which has a nested list called table, and inside the table it has a grid number object. So inside a grid number class, it has a fixed integer candidate, list of integer, and row position integer, column position integer. And most of the algorithm is defined inside the table class. So after the table is created, it calls solve puzzle method. So what it does is it iterates through the table to assign the candidates to each grid, and then it iterates the table again to see if any of the candidates qualify to be inserted to the table. And so that's pretty much it. So let me go. Okay, so after you have this project downloaded on your local, you can launch it inside IDE, but this would require to have a Maven installed on your local system. So you have to have a Maven installed to your local system, then build this project in order to run this on IDE. But the easier way is to, when you download this project, under the target there is a jar file called Sudoku 1.3 snapshot jar with dependencies. So you can just execute this jar file. This wouldn't require you to have a Maven install on your local. So java jar target Sudoku, then bam, here we go, SudokuSolver. So it prompt you with to type number from 1 to 8, select the puzzle to be solved. So let me try solving 1. Type 1, enter. So let me screw it. So this is the original table, and then it prints out every time it finds a grid, it finds a new number to insert on the table. So it can solve most of the easy puzzle except for one, which is easy puzzle 3. So this one, it was almost able to solve it, but I think when it gets to this point, it has to do try and error after this. So but other than that, it should be able to solve any other puzzle. 4, 5, you can actually solve some of the medium as well as the hard one too. Okay, thank you very much for listening. That was my Sudoku project.